Need that time that you say you'll try. I've heard that line 1,000 times before. I'm not sad, I'm not crying. If you mad, that's fine. But I think that I should go. Yeah, why you trying to play me? You being a different you and I'm being the same me. You could have Gucci.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Carly, and as you can see, I'm very excited for today's video because it's very pink and it's very magical and it's just everything I love all in one little video, so I'm just very stoked. And on top of that, this video is a collab with a huge inspiration of mine on YouTube. Her hair is so aesthetic, her channel is so aesthetic, and so her, and so wonderful and beautiful, and so I'm collabing with Fallon. I'll put her little thumbnail here. She is so cute and wonderful, and she's doing a DIY spring clothing video, so check that down. It'll be in my description box. Do not forget to check that video out because it's gonna be rad. I think that unicorn videos are like my calling. I really love it. So comment down below any ideas you have for any unicorn DIY stuff, and I will definitely get on that, whether it be hair stuff, unicorn clothing, unicorn DIYs, unicorn food. I am all about it, so comment that down below. Like this video if you like unicorns, and who doesn't? If you don't like unicorns, like this video if you like corn. Yeah, corn, unicorn, whatever. So let's check out this video testing unicorn DIYs. I failed a lot, but I improvised a lot and tried to make it work, so let's see how I did.
If it's alright, I wanna kick it with you all night.
So I made some unicorn bark on St. Patrick's Day, so I kind of incorporated the two into one. I got my Lucky Charms, and I think this Lucky Charm is supposed to be a unicorn, but it's kind of a fail. I used sprinkles that were beautiful in pastel. All my different colored chocolate melts that I thought would be beautiful and unicorny. Oh, and you'll need parchment paper and a pan. Okay, so for the first step, I melted all my chocolate in the microwave. I put the white down first, kind of gooed it on my parchment paper there, and next up I put each color on and then swirled it with like a toothpick or a skewer stick, whatever that thing's called. Once I marbled the colors enough, I started putting on my Lucky Charms and my little sprinkles, and then from there all I had to do was put it in the fridge for a few hours, and that was it. I didn't even have to bake and burn the house down. So once I took it out of the fridge, I just broke it up and then shared it with all my friends. Woo! It was honestly so aesthetic, and I would definitely do it again because it was so easy. Do you like it? I didn't get a recipe for this at all. I just kind of used what I had in my house. I had some leftover Lucky Charms, and I thought I could combine that with the sprinkles into something a little bit healthier. So it's a little healthy, a little unhealthy, whatever. Treat yourself. So all I did was blend up some red fruits in the blender. I added some coconut milk, and you can add whatever you usually do in your smoothies. I then took a small cookie cutter in the shape of a heart, and I put my little strawberries in it, and that was actually a great idea. They turned out so cute. And then I added some coconut flakes and some chia seeds and a few other things on top with some sprinkles, and there I had it, my cute little half healthy-ish, half unicorn vomit looking smoothie bowl, and I think it's really cute. In the future, I'm really going to experiment with a lot more variations of smoothie bowls because I really enjoy them and they're so aesthetic. So I mean, of course I love them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I actually had such a blast doing these unicorn DIYs, and I will definitely be testing one in the future, so stay tuned for that and stay tuned for all upcoming videos I have planned, which is quite a few, so there we go. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my little channel. It's very pink and very it's remix. Click that subscribe button. Thanks once again for watching and liking and loving, and I just love you guys so much. So, mwah, see you soon.